Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to cover question number 20 from the CBSE Sample Paper 2024 for Accountancy. The link to the paper is in the description box below. You can check that out. If you haven't seen the previous videos where we have solved the previous questions, do check them out as well. The link is in the description box below. If you haven't subscribed yet, if you want to get notified every time a new video is shared, then you have to subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive the notifications. Without further ado, let's get started. Question number 20. Calculate goodwill of a firm on the basis of 3 years purchase of the weighted average profits. So 3 years purchase to be noted. That's important. That's required in our calculation further down of the weighted average profits for the last 4 years. The profits are for 4 years and the purchase number of years of purchase is 3. Again, I've seen some students getting confused here between this. So don't be confused. The profits for the last 4 years are given here. On the 1st April 2020, a major plant repair was undertaken for 10,000, which was charged to revenue. This needs to be reversed. The said sum is to be capitalized for goodwill calculation, subject to adjustment of depreciation of 10% on reducing balance method, right? And for the purpose of calculating goodwill, we have the weights given. For the first 2 years, the weight is 1, and for the second 2 years, we have weights 2 and 3. All right, let's get started. First of all, let's write the given profits that we have. For 2020, we have 28,000, 27,000, then 46,900 and 53,810, right? These are the profits given. First of all, as an adjustment, any kind of abnormal adjustment that we have to make the adjustments correct first. Like this capital expenditure, this should not have been part of revenue and they are planning to capitalize this. We have to reverse this. This has been charged as an expense, right? So we have to add that back. So add plant repair. Okay. This was done in the year 2020, right? So it comes here. For the year, let's see the profits. These are the year ending 2020, right? 31st March 2020, and this was done 1st April 2020. So this comes in this financial year. So you have to check the dates as well. So this comes in this financial year. 10,000, we are adding it back. And now we have to charge depreciation. So starting from this year, we have to charge depreciation, and that will be subtracted. That hasn't been done yet. So less depreciation at the rate 10%. However, it's written down value. Now, one thing is easy for you. The major repair was done on 1st April itself. So for the first year, for this year, the depreciation will be on 10,000 for the full year. Easy to calculate. 10% of 10,000 is 1,000. So straight away, we write a negative figure here. Now, since this is reducing balance method, for the next year, the value of this plant becomes 9,000. And that's why for the second year, the depreciation will be 10% of 9,000, that becomes 900, right? Again, after you have deducted 900 from 9,000, you get 8,100. For the third year, depreciation will be calculated on 8,100. So 10% of that is 810, right? So these are the adjustments that we had. Now let's do the calculation. We get our adjusted profits here. These are our adjusted profits. Now we have to apply the weights to it that we have got given in the question. For the first year 1, for the second year 1 as well, for the third year 2, and for the fourth year 3. Now we have to calculate the product. The product is nothing but the multiplication of the adjusted profit and the respective weights. All right. Now this is the table that we have got. We have to calculate the average profit, which is summation of weights and the summation of this entire product that we have got. Okay, so let's do the total. We can do it here itself. So for sum of weights, we have 7, and for sum of products, we have 3,15,000. So let's calculate the average profit. That will be 3,15,000 divided by 7. That comes to 45,000. That's the average profit. So in that case, what will be the goodwill? Goodwill will be 3 years purchase as we have mentioned here. So that will be 45,000 into 3. 1,35,000 is the value of goodwill. Alright, this is how this sum needs to be solved. Easy, you can't waste a lot of time on this at just a 3-mark sum. You have to be quick and fast and also accurate with your calculations. Hope you like it. Hit the like button if you like it and share with your friends who can benefit out of it as well. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you all in the next video with the next set of questions that we have. Stay tuned.